another perfect day for the beach. Let's get going. I'm not waiting all day for Barbie. Hey, guys. Can't wait to catch a wave. Less talking, more tanning.
To the beach!
Ugh.
What is this wet stuff? Gross! Get it off me!
Calm down, everyone. It's just rain.
Rain?
I guess they've never seen rain before.
What a bunch of cream puffs. Back in Wisconsin, we had rain, hail, tornadoes, and snowstorms. And we never let it ruin our 4th of July.
The day is ruined!
We can't even play catch with this generic flying disc. Or surf, or tag football, or beach darts, or hacky sacks, or supboarding, or volleyball,
Or splunking, or clog dancing, or patty cakes!
This is torture.
Good thing I always carry a supply of rainy day activities. Knitting, jigsaw puzzles, and everybody's fave, macrame!
Or we can do the most fun thing ever. Go play in the rain. Come on. Go out in that? Have you lost your mind? You'll love it. We can splash in the puddles and catch raindrops on our tongues. It'll be a blast. These guys need to learn that a rainy day can be a maze. When I'm in London, I go walking in the rain with my besties all the time. Although the prince is a bit of an umbrella hog.
Yep, it's raining cats and dogs.
Ooh, is there a labradoodle? They're adorbs.
Summer, did you put the roof up on your car? Cars have roofs. Come on, guys. The rain won't last much longer. Trust me, it's so much fun.
This is
Right.
so fun.
Calm down. Let's go. Hold it. There's no way I'm going out in that disgusting sky drool without proper protection.
We look fierce. Foul weather fashion. Who knew?
I'm not taking any chances. Let's do this. Okay, this is the main. Oh, whoa! Yay!
Oh, no.
What happened to sky drool?
I was ready to do some serious puddle stomping.
And I was gonna look for night crawlers.
Looks like your idea was a big flop, Barbie. Bummer. Guess we missed our chance to play in the rain. Just so you know, you all look totally ridiculous